everyone and welcome to the Plants4Presents nursery. This morning it's cold out here and we've got our boiler service going on. We're very happy at the moment to be on biomass rather than oil, so we heat the nursery and all the benches with wood pellets. This time of year we're doing our annual, well actually a 6-month service. So Dan the man, the boiler man's here. Yoo-hoo! Getting it all fixed up, making sure that all our plants are going to be toasty warm for the winter months. So if you come through here into the nursery itself, we're getting busier now. It's getting up to the silly Christmas season. Sophie's in here, our dispatch manager, got everything under control. All the Christmas orders are coming in and piling up here behind me. As you come through here, we've got the plants that are going out today. So lots of early Christmas orders going out, the Christmas planters. These are all plants that are booked to be delivered tomorrow. So they're being wrapped by our team. Behind me in the pack house here, we've got Ella and Jose. Ella, give me a wave. And all those plants are all booked to go out today. They're in the line, poinsettias. We've said before, they're such fragile beasts. We keep them in the warm here in the nursery right until the last moment. And because the boiler's being serviced, we've got the screens over this morning just to keep that extra little bit of heat in. So that's our update from this week. If you haven't got your Christmas order in, get it in soon. Thanks for watching.